Cash App's mobile check capture lets eligible users deposit U.S. checks instantly via app. No bank visit needed. It's free for standard processing, 1 to 5 business days, or 1.5% fee for instant, up to $500 per day limit. Feature rollout is gradual. If unavailable, use linked bank or alternatives like Walmart. Eligibility, 18+ verified account, SSN, bank linked. Check, less or equal to $7,500, personal, or $25,000 business. Payable to you, unendorsed, USD from U.S. institution, not expired or altered. Steps. Open Cash App, Tap Money tab, dollar icon bottom left. Scroll to checks or deposit check, if enabled, otherwise contact support. Enter check amount, confirm amount. Endorse check, sign back. Write Cash App deposit below. Tap front of check, position on dark surface, good light, auto capture, or manual photo. Flip, tap back of check, capture endorsed side. Review details, tap submit check. Post deposit, funds pending, track inactivity. Hold original 14 days. Approval, 1 to 3 days typical, up to 15 if reviewed. Tips, blurry photos, retry in better light, denied. Common for third-party checks. Use direct deposit instead. Limits reset weekly. Build history for hire.